The XXCXX snowblower cover heavy-duty stands out for its generous dimensions that fully shield most two-stage machines in the 24 to 28-inch class, including many popular brands. Its thick 600 denier Oxford fabric with polyurethane coating feels genuinely rugged in person and shrugs off snow, rain, and sun exposure without getting flimsy or brittle. The front zipper and overall cut make it surprisingly straightforward to slip over the blower after use, so you are not wrestling with a stiff tarp in the cold. A combination of venting, hook and loop closures, and an adjustable drawstring at the hem keeps the cover stable in strong wind, while helping moisture escape instead of condensing on the machine. The fluorescent green accents are not just cosmetic, as the reflective strips make the covered snowblower easier to spot in low light and reduce the chance of someone bumping into it. When winter is over, the cover folds down into a compact, lightweight bundle that fits neatly in the included storage bag and tucks away in a garage or shed without taking much room.